This is very much a Liverpool crowd. They come into the Olympic Stadium, Liverpool and Real Madrid, side by side and walking out to 44 apiece for Cristiano Ronaldo and Mohamed Salah. Ronaldo. So the 28. Now Modric. Dani Carvajal, and then Isco was the... Here's Firmino. Now Salah. Alexander-Arnold with the ball in. Generating a tremendous atmosphere in here already. It's Salah. And there's Mo Salah in towards Roberto Firmino, and Alexander-Arnold was running in. There's alert goalkeeping in there by Keylor Navas, who I think has been given a free kick here by the referee.
Yeah, he was out quick, wasn't he?
In by Robertson towards Firmino, who was attacking the near post. There's Marcelo. Lovely turn to get away from Milner. Excellent ball to Alexander-Arnold, and then Keylor Navas, who's got Ronaldo on that side with him. Danger here for Liverpool. Ronaldo! And despite the fact it was a ridiculously tight angle, he still... Keylor Navas didn't quite get there. Virgil van Dijk was running in.
Yeah, I don't know whether the refs give a foul, but it didn't look like, did it? No.
Stages of this competition. Milner with a chance to try and pick someone out. Here's Roberto Firmino. And then Alexander-Arnold, and Navas was down. The initial block in there was from Sergio Ramos. Alexander-Arnold caught that really sweetly.
Yeah, brilliant play by Liverpool. He's onside, pulls it back to Firmino. Turns well.
Mana. He's got Varane and Carvajal across there. And it's going to be a corner.
He did really older, doesn't it?
I think he just felt the weight of Ramos on him after the challenge. It was good defending initially by Ramos.
Yeah, it just goes over.
Lallana, who's back on the Liverpool bench tonight, he's had a season blighted by injury. It looks as though he's going to be the man to come on and replace him.
Yeah.
Here's Luka Modric. Virgil van Dijk.
Not sure he doesn't get beat by Modric. Stops the cross coming in.
This goes ball in towards Ronaldo. Good save, and then Benzema flags up. Won't count.